All right, everybody, the next entry into our Thinkorswim videos is going to be a simple one. Like I said, this isn't something that you will most likely see coming out of any of our rooms from the debit side and certainly not the credit side, but it is entering a straddle or a strangle market or order. We never do market orders. Okay, so a straddle or a strangle, those are buying a put, buying a call. In the case of a straddle, the strikes happen to be the same. In a strangle, you have an out-of-the-money put versus and an out-of-money call. So the reason that we don't do it very often is they tend to be expensive, and when you're wrong for a lot of money. We don't like that. And from the short side, the credit side, again, most of us, if not all of us, don't have the capitalization behind us to naked sell premium, because then you're just selling a naked call and a naked put at the same time. Again, on the flip side of that, when you're right, you're usually right for a lot of money, but you have a ton and unlimited risk. Okay, let's start with a straddle. That's just easy. We can do this one of two ways. Let me pull my pen in here. Sorry, didn't have that. Well, actually, I can do it a different way. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you go to spread, and instead of that, you go straddle. So now, again, we're in Apple. Doesn't really matter what the underlying is. That's where that is. And you can see, we can go through any of these expirations. No big deal. Let's just do June, just because it's next monthly. And then you can see that there are pre-programmed strikes out there. $3.20, $3.22 half, $3.20, whatever you want to do. So let's just say, okay, we are trading right around $3.20. We're trading $3.1958. So let's do the $3.20 straddle. We want to buy it. So that automatically is going to populate for us. Buy one $3.20 call, buy one $3.20 put. Put in whatever debit that you want. I don't want to pay $17 for that. I'll pay $15 for it. Of course, we're not going to get filled. Confirm and send. The same count comes up. Send that order. Then you can go and you look over here. What am I working here? Oh yeah. Here's my Apple straddle buy. And here's my mark. It is a day order. This is what I'm willing to pay. And these are my strikes and calls and how many I'm working. Obviously, we don't want to do this. Cancel order. Then it shows up in your canceled orders. Strangle, going back to our trading tab. And also when I say there's more than one way to do this, you can always custom do this by holding control, hitting the put offer and the call offer, pulls up the same thing. Just a matter of, comfort. We don't want to do anything with that, so we delete it. Strangle. Well, we can go up here and we pull down Strangle. And now this gives us, it defaults to a number of different things. So let's look at the 323.17 because that's the first out of the money call and first out of the money put. Okay, we're going to buy this here. But you're like, wow, that is really too tight. I really want to do, on the call side, I want to do the 325, and on the put side, I want to do the 315. Approximately $5 out of the money for each. This gives you the mid-market price. This tells you it's a very tight market. Basically, it looks like you can buy or sell about the same price. Your quantity, you can change it. This is the underlying. This is the expiration. Your 2 strikes. The net premium you will have to pay. It's a limit order. We're always going to do a limit order. The day order, not GTC. Best, confirm and send. I don't want to pay $13.20 for this. I want to pay $12 for this. Confirm and send. Same confirm as always. Goes here. We can go to our monitor. Here's our Apple Strangle that we're working. We're $1.15, $1.20 away from getting filled. We don't want to get filled, but here's our buy. Apple, expiration, call put, different strikes, both of them about $5 out of the money. I don't want to do this order. Cancel the order. Shows up in here. You might not be seeing it, Jay, because I am recording it. Because it's a cleaner recording. But you'll see it in the video. Sorry about that. No, you should say something like that. But remember, we are projecting from the office and we are working from the home office. And so this is just a little bit cleaner. All right, let me get that out to you guys.